Welcome to this new video. So as every biker knows that in an interval of 500 to 600 kilometers we need to clean and lube our chain. So in this short video I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to clean and lube your chain. So first of all I put my bike on the paddock stand, and then we take out our cleaning supplies. So I prefer to open my sari guard as it gives me better accessibility to the sprocket and the chain, and you can open it if you want to, but if you don't want, it's fine. So the next or the first step in the process is to take the chain cleaner and spray it evenly across the chain and the chain sprocket, as you can see in the video. After spraying the chain cleaner, we take the chain cleaning brush and give the whole chain a good rub, and don't forget to rub the sprocket also. And in the second step we open the front sprocket part and also spray some chain cleaning fluid there. So after this we take some water and rinse off the dirt and the residue of the sprocket and the chain, and make sure there is nothing left on the chain. Then we take a dry cloth and wipe the chain dry so that no water molecules are present when we spray the chain lube. And at last but not least, we take the chain lube and spray it evenly across the sprocket and the chain, and make sure that no part is left behind. Thank you for watching.